Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today, we are starting 30 Days English Speaking Challenge. This is day 1. If you want to learn English, if you want to speak English confidently, then this challenge is for you. In this challenge, we will practice easy daily life. English step by step. Please speak with me, repeat after me, and don't feel shy. Let's start today's lesson. I wake up early in the morning around 5:30 a.m. First of all, I thank God for a new day. Then I drink a glass of warm water. After that, I freshen up and do some light stretching or yoga. It helps me feel fresh and active. Then I prepare breakfast for my family. I try to make healthy food because health is very important. After breakfast, I clean the kitchen and arrange the house. A clean home gives me peace and positive energy. After finishing my household work, I sit for my study, charge, work time. I study with full focus for 2 to 3 hours. I avoid using my phone during this time. I believe consistency is the key to success. When I feel tired, I take a short break and drink water or tea. In the afternoon, I prepare lunch for my family. We eat together and talk about our day. After lunch, I take some rest for a short time. Rest is also important for a healthy body. Then I continue my work or complete pending tasks. In the evening, I spend time on self-improvement. Sometimes I read books, sometimes I plan content for my YouTube channel. I also spend quality time with my family. Family time makes me happy and relaxed. At night, I prepare dinner and clean everything. Before sleeping, I reflect on my day and think about what I learned. I thank God for everything I have. Then I go to bed around 10:30 p.m. A good sleep gives me energy for the next day. This is my daily routine. I believe that small daily habits create big success. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this routine, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.